Hey guys, this is E with Scrapbooking with Me, and I wanted to show you two new paper collections that we have in the store. Sorry about the glare right there. Let's turn that light a little bit. There we go. They're both from Graphic45. This one is called Woodland Friends, and I'm going to do a flip through and show you these. First off, you could use this cover to cut all of these little bunnies and everything out, the fox and the deer. All of these flowers, you can use all of this. Make these into little stamps. They're already the right size. Just stamp them with your little stamp images that you have and make them little stamps. Isn't that cute? I think that's pretty too. So I'll be using all of this front cover here, and then on the inside you have these that you can cut out and use those too. This is a card, a gift tag, and gift tags, and I know it's upside down. I don't know why they put that way and printed that way, but anyway, you can use those. So then let's flip through the paper. Now you get two of these. These are the sticker sheets, and they have the little stickers in them, and then they have some bigger ones, some little tags, a big strip. So these are pretty. Very, very pretty. I like that. That's real pretty. Make an album and put that on the front to a friend. That's really pretty. Okay. So you have two of those. And then you've got these journaling cards that you can use. Cut out. Look at there and there. Look at that fox. The raccoon. And then on the back side, you've got that. Isn't that pretty? Love the colors in this. So you have two of those. I think it's two of each sheet that you have. Two of each design. Look at the blue squirrels. There's the other side. Isn't that cute? They're really cute. I think I have it upside down, but anyway, we're going to leave it that way. So it's two of those. And then the leaves, let's flip this over and look at this side. Ooh, that side's pretty. Really pretty. That would be beautiful on the cover of a mini. And it's got the blues and the yellows and everything in it, so you can bring in so many different colors. But then it also has the red and the pinks. So you could bring in lots of different colors with that. And then on that side, it's got the leaves. Well, the vines. It looks like vines running everywhere. And let's turn these over. I like to look at the front side first. And this is like a patchwork quilt. That's pretty. Those would be pretty stitched around and used in your album. And there's that side. And then, let's see. Yeah, two of these. These are more journaling cards, or you can just use the back and use it as paper, but I think these journaling cards are pretty. This one is big enough for a big tag or a side tuck, pockets. You could use these for all kinds of things. And then that's the back side. Now, we got in a limited number of these right now because all of us vendors are just getting spurts of orders. So we've got in a limited number. We've got more on order, but of course they're not here yet. But the first round is here. So if you want one of these, you have to go grab it. I can't hold them for you. As soon as you see this video, you need to go over and get it if you want it. I'll just say it that way. Okay, and then you've got the rabbits and the little pinks and greens. And then the pink on that side. That's really pretty. With the little dots in the background. Okay. Then, see this other side of this one. It's got the fox and the deer and got all the animals. Woodland creatures, of course. And the mushrooms. Very pretty. And then that side, it's the solid, more solid greens. Just a light green, dark green. That's pretty too. And then here we have some green and blue. It says, Woodland Friends, the whole world is yours to explore. Cute. Look at that. That's pretty too. Okay, so that was Woodland Friends from Graphic45. I don't remember how many we got in of those, but like I said, if you want them, you better go grab them. Now this one is beautiful too. This one's called Christmas Time. And again, you could use all of these pieces, cut these out and use them. You could even use this, all of these, make little stamps out of them. And then of course on this side you get the same thing as you did in the other. And then here's your front page. This is like Christmas and steampunk rolled into one, but it's not so steampunkish that you don't care for it. It's just got like the old train, the old gears, and it's got the Christmas bells that are made with the old gears, and then the old, I guess you could call that an air balloon there. And then on this side, whoo, you have that. Now, I'm not crazy about that because I'm not crazy about checkers. But I noticed in one of these, right there and right there, there's a star. That's kind of crazy. But anyway, that hurts my eyes to look at that side. So I would definitely use the front side of that other one. Or just use it and put something over to tone it down. But then this one's pretty. Again, a lot of these could be cut out and used as cutouts, not have to use the whole page. And then there is the back side of that one. Lots of pretty words and things on here. Alright, then we have this one. There's the little holly with the gears. It's like the holly runs through the gears. I think that touch of gold is pretty in there. And then you have the ivy or the holly on the back side. Ivy, it's holly with the little berries. And then this one. And these are the journaling cards, or like I said, you can make these into tags, pockets, just about anything that you'd want. And you have some little stamps over here. And then you have the Christmas tree on the back with the little presents under it and the one little star there. It's pretty. Okay. And then this one, I think that's pretty too. I would cut him out and use him somewhere. Very, very pretty. And then there again. And then this one, I've already used one of these in a project that I'll be showing you tomorrow. But I wanted to show you this page anyway before I cut it up. I think those Christmas trees are so pretty. And you could cut these out and just use the tree. You wouldn't have to use everything on the page. If you want to tone something down, you could put some of this down and then put some, collage it, kind of put some red and green in there. That would be pretty. And then the back side is like that. Okay, and then you have these. And these are the smaller tags and pockets and little labels. And then this is a big stamp. All of these are cut kind of as stamps. Those are pretty. Lots of different embellishments that you can embellish with. And then on the back side you have the deer or the antelope, or whatever you want to call these. And then here you have the Christmas bells that are made out of the gears with the red, pop of red in there. I think that's pretty, the way they did that. And in the background, it's like a book page. I don't know if you can see that, but it's kind of like a book page in the background. And then here you little small gears for age. And then you have two sticker sheets. And these are There's lots of little banners and an arrow, lots of little labels, and these are on a very good quality paper. They're not thin at all. Now, we did get, and I don't have them right here at my desk where I would show you, we did get some of the tags in. No, not tags. The ephemera. We did get some of the ephemera in, if I'm not mistaken, for this collection and the other one. I just don't have it right here at my desk to show you, but I will have that listed in the shop, and I'll have a photo so you'll know kind of what's in it. But like I said, we've got a limited supply of these, so if you want any of those, make sure that you go over and grab yours now, because I know what few we got, they're not going to last long. They usually don't. The Graphic 45 sells really fast. A lot of people really like it. So let me put them back out here where you can see both of them together. I'm just going to lay that down there. Let's lay this one on top. There we go. Well, we need to put that right side up. There. So that is the two different collections that we got in. This one is called Woodland Friends, and this one is Christmas Time. So those are in the shop now as you're seeing this video. So if you want any of those, you can go over and grab them. And like I said, if you miss out on the first round, we will have some more coming, hopefully in the next week or so. Like I said, we're just getting spurts of things in. We never know if we're going to get a whole shipment or not. Sometimes they tell us a whole shipment is in our box, and then when we get our box and open it up, it's not in there. So, you know, that's why I say if you want it, go grab it now, because if you wait, it will be gone. All right, guys, we will talk to you later. Thanks so much for watching, and thanks so much for your support. We'll talk to you later. Bye-bye.